Toyota is making a clear statement that it is not satisfied with second place. With the unveiling of its updated Le Mans Hypercar, the Japanese manufacturer is signaling a renewed push to dominate the World Endurance Championship in 2026. The new car, known as the Toyota TR010 Hybrid, represents the first major evolution of Toyota's Hypercar since 2023, and it arrives with purpose. This latest machine builds on the foundations of the GR010 Hybrid that has competed since the Hypercar class launched in 2021. Under the bodywork, the familiar V6 twin-turbo hybrid powertrain remains, but the visual changes hint at deeper revisions. The front end has been heavily reworked, featuring new headlamps inspired by Toyota's road car design language, giving the car a sharper and more modern presence on track. The debut of the TR010 Hybrid is scheduled for the Qatar 1812-kilometer race in March, where it will also introduce a bold new red, white, and black livery. The move away from the long-used matte black design feels symbolic, reinforcing that this is a fresh chapter. Alongside the car, Toyota is also reshaping its identity in endurance racing. The team will now compete under the Toyota Racing name, with Gazoo Racing branding removed from its Hypercar program.